Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to talk to you about how you can make passive income from precious metals. Now I know there's a number of people out there that don't like investing in precious metals because they prefer income generating assets. And what I mean by that is they like dividend stocks where you get a monthly or yearly dividend, or they like to stake their crypto and they earn an interest on that, or they like buy-to-let properties where you get the capital appreciation and the monthly rent coming in as well. And there are a number of other assets that produce incomes, and there are a lot of people out there that are anti-precious metal investing purely because they like to have some money come in each month, and they can't get their head around the fact that when you buy precious metals, it's almost like a bit of a waiting game. You buy them, you stack them, you store them, and you kind of wait for them to increase in value. Now, in my opinion, the reason I invested in precious metals is more of kind of like a savings account. It's a way of protecting your spending power against inflation, and it's more of kind of just a long-term way of building wealth over time. I'm not too concerned about the ups and downs in between. My strategy is to buy as much as I can for as close to spot as possible, hold for as long as I can, and then hopefully sell for a profit in the future. And that is kind of how precious metals works. Generally speaking, it's not kind of an income generating asset. However, in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can make passive income, and not just passive income, but how you can make income in general just by holding precious metals as an investment. Now there's a number of different ways, so I'm going to kind of just list them off. Now the first way is the way that I'm doing it as we speak, and that is by making videos on YouTube. Now currently this channel isn't monetized, but once I hit 1,000 subscribers, then you start getting ad revenue from the adverts that are placed before and during and at the end of these videos. So that's one of the easiest ways to make income on your precious metals. And it can be very, very passive, because once you put the upfront work in and you've done some videos, all it takes is for a number of those videos to go semi-viral, and then you sit back and you make money each month from those videos. So that's the first way that you can make active and passive income from your precious metals. The next one is by doing stock images. Now there's a number of websites that do this. I think the most popular one is Shutterstock, and you basically take pictures, you upload them on there, and if anyone uses them for their websites or for projects they're doing, blogs, even for social media, people buy these stock images and you get a percentage of the fee. So that's another way that not many people know about. The next way is by doing blogs. Now you don't have to have a huge following to make income from doing blogs. You don't have to start your own website. Obviously you can do that, and that's where you'll make more money. However, it's very, very easy. You can go to a website called Medium, and what Medium is a website where you can literally type up a blog, attach pictures and all the rest of it, and then you upload it to their website. And if anyone actually reads your blog, then you get a percentage of, I don't know quite how it works, but I think you get like a percentage of the ads from the website or something like that. So I haven't actually got any blogs up and running specifically to do with precious metals, but I have got other blogs up and running about just investing in general and saving money and things like that. And it's a nice way of making a bit of extra money on the side. Again, it's very passive, because once you put the upfront work in, you can sit back, and if anyone reads your blog, you make money basically. So that's another way that you can make money from holding precious metals. You can just literally write about them. You can write about your stacking journeys. You can attach pictures to the blogs, and people that are interested in that sort of thing will read them, and then you'll make money. So that is just a number of ways there that I've just listed off. And you can probably tell this video is a bit different. I'm actually driving home from work, and I just thought about this video idea, and I thought a lot of people avoid precious metals because they don't make income. And there are actually numbers of ways. You just got to be a bit more creative in the ways you think about doing them. There are a number of other ways, and if you're interested, I can go into more ways of making income from precious metals. I just wanted to kind of list off the easier ones first, just to get people started. Let me know in the comment section any that I've missed, any that you currently do, any that you've heard. As always, thanks for watching my videos, and I hope you have a nice day.